Our project revolves around the community-centric features of learning. Our main purpose is for users to interact with each other and learn more in a collaborative learning environment. We have revolved our entire project around a library system. The main motivation behind this was shortage of staff. A lot of resources are not available in the physical library under one roof, and users find it difficult to search for a particular book. So here we could go about it. So this is our library homepage. We have built a learner management system from scratch called Creative Minds. So once we go inside the library, we see our library is not just restricted to books. It has we have increased the scopes to books, videos, web links. We can search for a book here. We have some kind of a reputation system where you can rate the book that you're searching. The most highly rated book would come on top. The book can be sorted according to different types, like it could be textbook, paper, newspaper article, etc. So first and foremost, we could add a book. We could give the title, the author name, description, URL, and a user could create a book. The user could have a user preference. This is some kind of a recommendation system in which if I'm a computer science student, I can update my preference here. And I do not have to see other subjects if it's not important to me. I can update that here. Now we would search. Suppose I'm a user of computer science and I want to search for everything related to artificial intelligence. So I can type that out here. I can sort it according to highly rated and search. So as you can see, we have entered this page where we have everything related to the book. We can download the book firstly, and one of the main things that we have done here was to give a rating rubric so that if new users come, they can see how much the older users have rated this book, if the book was easy to understand, if it was detailed, if it was easy to find all the materials and all the subsections. I can update all these in my book. We also have a comment box in which you can write different feedback related to the book. You can give a positive feedback, you can give a negative feedback, and you can submit. And that would be seen here. This sort of generates a collaborative learning environment. Students can learn from each other and review the book all together. After this, we have the blogs. The main purpose of blogs was to kind of have out-of-class learning, not just related to what you learn in class, but you could have interviews with experts. Teachers could post successful stories of students. You can have topics about general learning on a day-to-day basis. So these are the blogs that are already there in our database, and I would open one such blog. As you can see, this is a blog where you get to learn more about the earth. Now, since I am an admin, I can either approve the blog, I can delete the blog, or I can edit the blog. Admin has all the rights. We have given admin and the faculty member all the rights. We also have a user account where the user would not have these rights. Once a user posts a blog, the admin, it has to go via the admin, because there could be time where the user posts something inappropriate and admin can filter that. So me being an admin, I can decline the blog if it's not appropriate. I can decline this blog. And I would have, as an admin, I would have an option called pending blog post, in which I could see all the blogs that are queued up in my website. I will also get a mail by the end of the day telling me how many blog posts I have to review. The user can add a new blog through this icon. The user can also add a research paper if a person wants to write a thesis about a topic. You can add a research paper here, and that would get posted up in the blog. So the blog feature also has a comment option where users can comment what they want to about the blog. We have also implemented some sort of a tagging feature where if you tag a user, they would feel a sense of belonging in the community. They would know what they're saying is right. And an email would go to the person you have tagged. To avoid bottleneck, we have implemented the email in a way that it goes to the user after every 4 hours. A cumulative bunch of emails will go to these users instead of one email going. And that's about our library feature.